Hello everyone, this is our all new project in which we have added the touch sensor and the distance measurement or ultrasonic sensor, and there's a buzzer over here and LED. Okay, so what is the basic use of this? Basically, when we do the car parking and we call that parking sensor, so that measures the distance, like how much distance. In behind the car in front of that, and if the car will be touched then the buzzer will start beep. So that kind of sensor we that kind of system we create with the help of this ESP32 microcontroller and this ultrasonic sensor and touch sensor, which I can demonstrate you. And on display it will show the distance, and also it will show that is there any obstacle over here, and is anything touched to the touch sensor or not. So that is what we will observe. Okay, so we have a program for that also. This is our program that we are going to put in the Arduino. But before going to do that, let me show you the pin connection. So these are the basically the pin connection. This is the pin for the uh, ultrasonic sensor. So VCC to the 5 volt input or 3.3 volt also you can choose. Ground should be connected to ground. So trick should be connected to D5 and eco should be connected to D18. In OLED display, so display should be connected to 3.3 volt, ground should be connected to ground, SK should be connected to 21, D21, and SCL should be connected to D22. In buzzer, the buzzer input should be given by 23. I mean, longer pin should be connected to 23 and negative should be connected to ground. In case of touch sensor, VCC should be connected to 3.3 volt, ground should be connected to ground, and output will be given to the pin number 27. Okay. Let's talk about the libraries that we have to install. So Adafruit GFX library and Adafruit SSD 1306 library should be installed. Okay. So this library you should install, and another one is SSD 1306. This one also you have to install the Adafruit library. Okay. Now let me copy the program and paste over here that I already created, and I will also give you a description. Okay. Let me upload this, and now we are going to observe the output coming from all that. Okay. So the program is almost uploaded, and we are going to observe via. So it is measuring the distance actually. So buzzer is beeping if the distance is less than 10 centimeter. Okay, and if any touch sensor will be touched, so it is showing the touch detected. Okay, so that is all it works. Okay, let me show you the physical connection and also the working. So we were observing the output over here. So if I touch the sensor, then it is showing the touch, and if I move my hand near the ultrasonic sensor, it is also showing that obstacle is detected over here. Let me show you on the display also. So I have connected the display with this ultrasonic sensor as well as the. Okay, so I will show you on the display, like if I'm touching the sensor, so it is showing the touch detected, like in our serial monitor. Okay, in the same way it is showing the object detected if I move my hand near near this sensor. Okay, if less than 10 centimeter, it is showing that obstacle detected. So currently the distance of my hand is 28 centimeter 22, and it is reduced to 8. So when it will be less than 10, it will automatically show in the distance, as well as the buzzer will start beeping, buzzing. Okay, so you can also perform the same, and that kind of project is used in the car parking sensor. Okay, car parking system and so on. Have a nice day.